Okay.
What's up? It's your boy Kids here, back on the track. I'm ready to get back on another video today. We're doing another Greenvilel car review video. But I'm gonna do a more, I'll say more in depth. If you guys like this new style, for the more in depth video where I talk about like stuff about the car and fun facts about cars in general, you know, then drop a like, I guess, you know. So we're looking at this midsize SUV again, guys. So this is a nice, cool, older midsize SUV. Before we get the video, we'll talk about the fun car. Hey, sorry guys. Wow, guys, we got our friend in the video. Viewing this car. Reviewing this car. Oh crap, 1, 2, 9. Okay. So, okay, just oh crap, can put what again, so I'm gonna type what I'm saying so he knows. So guys, fun car fact. What is a fun car fact today? I'll mess with you guys. This car is a fun car to drive. This fun car drive. Very stiff suspension. All right, so. Okay, guys, so actually the fun car for the deer, guys. Difference between rear-wheel drive and all-wheel drive. Rear-wheel drive is when all power goes to the back wheels. All-wheel drive is where is it going? Power goes to all 4 wheels. So, this SUV has this suspension and is very spacious. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? The cost. Okay, Dodge, cross track. All the info, like, cost will be in the script. Oh my god, I can't spell today. Sean section. So guys, so again, this vehicle it's a pretty great vehicle. You look at the so very detailed. It's very detailed. I don't know what he's doing. This vehicle is very detailed. Okay, so this vehicle is very detailed, guys. So you see in the back, it actually has a really neat, cool thing. It has a windshield wiper on the back itself, and it has the cool bars at the top made for a suitcase and stuff. So as you can see, this SUV is very huh? Oh, so this SUV has had what the flush a wiper on the back, so you can see this has a wiper on the back, and if you wanted to be in the vid, so I thought you wanted to be in the vid. I'm sorry guys, I'm just trying to. So again, we're gonna take the thing for a drive, and so yeah, let's take the Dodge for a drive. So let's take the Dodge for a drive. Oh my gosh. For a drive. Oh crap! Oh my gosh! Idiot drivers. Get out. So guys, this vehicle does indeed have all three transmission modes. If you guys don't know this, guys, normally each vehicle has at least 3 transmission modes. Automatic, ST, and MT is only manual with clutch. ST semi-manual per se. My friend is talking. He's telling you guys I can't really type and I can type and drive, but like in the game, but like I still have to focus on the road because there's idiot drivers. Now guys, also gotta be careful, guys. The suspension is very twitchy when you get to higher speeds. So you gotta be careful. I don't know what the max speed is yet. We don't know that yet. So this truck is this vehicle is very popular. Everybody has it. I know these don't see this. They need to start making this game for like that, like make it like little kids can't play this game. So I'm sorry, the little kids in this game drive like complete idiots. I'm sorry, it's true. I see it all the time. We got to one speed of 111, which is pretty good actually. That is, again, a top speed of 111 miles an hour for an SUV is not really that decent, but it's okay, per se. It is good on gas mileage, bro. It is good on gas mileage. I guess, yeah, you're right. It is pretty good. So let me take let's just to take the thumbnail pic real quick. Let's take the thumbnail pic real quick. Let's take the thumbnail pic. Boom. Oh. Got it. All right. So this car is amazing. That it must buy for sure. So this car is amazing. Let's buy it for sure. One of the better SUVs in the game. One of the better SUV. This vehicle, honestly, this vehicle is one of the better SUVs in the game, 150%. So this thing is definitely one of the better SUVs in the game. Yeah, really detailed, really stiff suspension. So again, when you're driving this car, be careful when you're changing lanes and stuff because it can be really twitchy suspension. But yeah, so make sure to, did I type it right? To subscribe, like, comment, and share. And so make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share, guys. Friend, family, whoever. Share this out. Share the video out. And I'll see you guys in the next video. So, bye, guys. See ya in the next video. Peace.